What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And sorry I've been gone for a while. You know, I've been busy, crazy with everything. Shit has been, or stuff, sorry, this is a family channel, has been pretty crazy, you know, with the whole coronavirus going on, all of schools going strictly online. Basically, you know, our whole lifestyle has been flipped upside down. So I'm trying to get back into it. This is a pretty much a hobby for me. So I still got the WRX, which we're in right now, and I have my S2K in the garage, and wheels have been on back order for like 2-3 months now. So I'm still waiting on the wheels for that car, and yeah, I still needed to do the suspension for the WRX and wrap it. Just to give everybody a quick update, I sold my WRX wagon, and so now I'm back to dailying my newer WRX, which we're in now. And so yeah, I don't know what the next build is going to be, other than me continuing working on the S2000, and so we're probably just going to build that. Today we are gonna do like a little photo shoot. So I'm going to meet my buddy James. He's got a drone and stuff like that, so we're gonna get some good footage there. And I'm going to the probably the car wash right now, just to give the car a quick spray. We had a storm like 2 weeks ago, and a tree fell on my car, so that was not cool at all. But back at it, got it fixed. Wasn't bad damage. It was probably like $2,000 worth of damage, and it was all the right side of the car. So I got it repainted, which is nice, and everything is all fixed. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'll see you guys at the car wash. All right, guys. So we got to Freedom Wash. It's our little car wash spot in Virginia Beach. Got the car looking good enough for the you know, the shoot. Up close, I didn't do like a full wash, but about maybe 5 feet away from it, it looks pretty decent. Cleaned the engine bay a little bit. Yeah, I need a new front grille. I drive the mess out of this car. So everybody that knows me knows I drive the crap out of all my cars. This car has over 80,000 miles on it. It's a 2016 that I bought brand new. So I drive this car, race it, drive it daily. I did daily it for a while. So yeah, it's not none of my cars are baby. Even the S2000, like I drive that car, and it's meant to be driven. You know, all cars are meant to be driven. But you know, this car, got it washed. We're gonna go do this shoot, and hopefully it'll end up looking good. I know a couple of the drone shots are gonna probably come in sick, and I'm excited to get this done. Woo! All right, the next spot you'll see me at is probably my buddy's house, and hopefully we'll get some of these shots done. Love that sound, man. Woo! Gotta go, dog. I-64. All right, so we just got out to the area where we're gonna shoot at. So I got the car posted up. Buddy James over there getting his drone set up. Yeah, the car's looking fucking dope. About to get this shit going. All right, the plan is I'm gonna drive up this street like 2 or 3 times, and get a few rolling shots here, and then we're probably gonna take a few stills, and put together like a little video, a little montage type thing. So hopefully it comes out good, and then I'll post that separate from this video. So yeah, All right, let's get it. So right now we're getting some more footage. We're at a different spot. Still at the beach, but yeah, it's like a little sand dunes right behind the backdrop. And yeah, hopefully this footage like looks good and video comes out nicely. I think it will. James is out there shooting. Out there shooting, doing his thing. Yeah. So I'll probably end the video here for this one. So this is kind of like the little, just showing you behind the scenes of us doing the shoot. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, just like and subscribe, or go like the video that we're gonna post. And stay tuned. I got a few install videos coming up, and then I'm gonna be working on the S2000. The next thing is probably gonna be the wheels, if they come in by the end of this month, hopefully soon. I know with the coronavirus and everything like that, things have been like up and down, and yeah, so hopefully like the content, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out, guys.